Welcome to my channel. Watch this video till end for more. Gujarat, a state in western India, boasts a rich cultural and historical heritage that is reflected in its magnificent monuments. Here's a list of 20 historical monuments in Gujarat that showcase the state's diverse history and architectural splendor. 1. Rani Ki Vav, Patan, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Rani Ki Vav is a stepwell built by Queen Udayamati in memory of her husband Bhimdev I. 2. Sabarmati Ashram, Ahmedabad, the residence of Mahatma Gandhi during the Indian independence movement. It is now a museum and a place of great historical significance. 3. Champaner-Pavagadh Archaeological Park, another UNESCO World Heritage Site. This park contains a mix of Hindu and Islamic architecture, including mosques, temples, and forts. 4. Sidi Saiyyed Mosque, Ahmedabad, known for its intricate stone lattice work, this mosque is an architectural masterpiece. 5. Dholavira, Kutch, one of the 5 largest Harappan sites in the Indian subcontinent. Dholavira is an ancient city with well-preserved ruins. 6. Modhera Sun Temple, dedicated to the sun god. This temple is famous for its intricate carvings and the annual Modhera dance festival. 7. Jama Masjid, Ahmedabad, built in 1424. It is one of the finest examples of Indo-Saracenic architecture in Gujarat. 8. Sarkhej Roza, Ahmedabad, a complex of architectural structures, including a mosque, tombs, and a palace, representing the fusion of Hindu, Jain, and Islamic styles. 9. Dwarkadhish Temple, Dwarka, a major Hindu temple dedicated to Lord Krishna. It is an important pilgrimage site. 10. Lothal, Ahmedabad, an ancient port city of the Harappan civilization, known for its advanced urban planning and dockyard. 11. Akshardham Temple, Gandhinagar, a modern architectural marvel. It is dedicated to Bhagwan Swaminarayan and showcases traditional Indian art and culture. 12. Junagadh Fort, Bikaner, a majestic fort in the heart of Bikaner. It houses several palaces and temples. 13. Nagina Mosque, Champaner, known for its exquisite craftsmanship. This mosque is a part of the Champaner-Pavagadh Archaeological Park. 14. Vijay Vilas Palace, Mandvi, a beautiful royal residence with stunning architecture, gardens, and a private beach. 15. Rukmini Temple, Dwarka, dedicated to Lord Krishna's consort Rukmini. This temple has intricate carvings and is an important pilgrimage site. 16. Girnar Temples, Junagadh, a group of beautifully carved Jain temples situated on the Girnar mountain. 17. Kirti Mandir, Porbandar, the birthplace of Mahatma Gandhi. Kirti Mandir is a memorial dedicated to him and his life. 18. Ratneshwar Mahadev Temple, Bhuj, a unique underground temple dedicated to Lord Shiva, known for its serene ambience. 19. Adalaj Stepwell, Gandhinagar, an intricately carved stepwell with impressive architecture and design. 20. Lakshmi Vilas Palace, Vadodara, the residence of the Gayakwad royal family. It is one of the largest private residences in the world and showcases a blend of Indo-Saracenic and European architectural styles. These historical monuments in Gujarat bear testimony to the state's vibrant history and cultural richness, attracting tourists and history enthusiasts from around the world. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe and like the channel for more videos.